Okay, so welcome. Thank you. Yeah. So Joe is the manager here, and yeah, so he will be part of this, taking us around.
Everybody, if you drink your water, don't choke the plastic man. Agree.
So how do we recycle them? So like we dismantle them,
Yeah.
and then we separate the parts.
Yeah.
We have the plastic part on one side, we have the electronic, the circuit board on one side, we have them there, then we have the metal part and this one.
Yeah.
Now this machine is what we use to mold the metal part of the what we get.
Yeah.
So if we take this and put it, mold it into blocks, and then we can sell it.
So then you sell
Yeah,
the...
because, it's like it goes to downstream part.
Yeah, okay.
Green City is a social enterprise operating Liberia's first waste segregation and recycling enterprise. So our institution focuses on value chain, that is, we add value to waste. We believe if we keep disposing waste, we will not have space to contain all of the waste coming from our environment. And the best solution we think is economic value of waste. So one thing our institution is doing is we focus on adding value to plastic, electronics, and organic waste. So with those wastes, we add value to them through recycling. Like our plastic recycling system, we look at mechanical and chemical recycling of plastic. Our mechanical recycling of plastic focuses on adding value to plastic, where we convert the plastic into like a latex cup, geometric set for screws, and other materials that are plastic related, and then have them going back on the market. For our chemical recycling of plastic, we turn plastic to oil and also to diesel through our pyrolysis program. So we believe with that system, we can be able to reduce the volume of plastic actually in our environment. Now, another waste we handle is electronic waste. Electronic waste is actually handled through refurbishing and recycling. So our refurbishing system of electronic waste is about giving second life to electronics. We believe not everyone can afford to buy new electronics. So those that cannot buy new electronics, there are ways that we can refurbish the ones that are used by those that are bought new, and then be able to sell it to them, they can be able to use it. And the ones that cannot be refurbished, we focus on recycling them. And that is done through our downstream partner when it comes to e-waste recycling. And lastly, we look at organic waste. Organic waste is a leading and a high volume of waste produced in Liberia, followed by plastic. So we believe organic waste is highly environmental related and causes environmental pollution because it decomposes very fast. So we are producing organic fertilizer from that and then having it go into farmers.
For Sweden, we are very happy to be a partner with Green Cities, investing in recycling in Liberia. Electronics, metal, plastic, for an economy based on circular recycling. And we know that this is key for development and a sustainable solution for both people and planet. So we are working with Green Cities together with other partners on energy solutions, but also recycling solutions. I think Liberia stakeholders can come together. This kind of initiative by Green Cities can inspire others to see that this is possible, it is sustainable, it can be a business model, and it can be the future of development where we use resources in the best way. So that's why we're so happy to collaborate with Green Cities for this specific site, but also as inspiration to all of us to see this is possible, it's possible in Liberia. I think the next level is to increase the capacity nationally and to have legislation in place to promote recycling and to reduce the use of plastics. And I think there it needs to be a joint effort by entrepreneurs like James, Green Cities, by us as development partners, by civil society, but it's very much the government of Liberia who can take the steps to put the regulations in place, but also enable actors to work together. And I think then it will be a major change and something that can be useful for both people and planet.
So our institution is actually doing well in terms of adding value, and we intend to expand our activities into other cities. So hopefully in the next 2-3 years from now, we'll be moving in additional 4 cities: Bikana, Ganta, Banga, and Kakata. And currently in Mosorado, we have 3 locations: Central Morovia, Mount Barclay, and that of Bento. We believe our intervention will definitely create a clean, green, and healthy environment, with the hope of expanding after the next 5 years from now in Sierra Leone and that of Lagos, Nigeria. We hope to open this facility to the public by April of this year, and by that time we believe we will be able to solve most of the problems in setting up the system for opening to the public. And by that time we will have stakeholders coming in, government officials, international partners, local partners, to come and see exactly what is happening in our country. We believe if other countries can do it, we can do it. Nothing is impossible for us as Liberians, because we believe people are creating things and bringing it to Liberia. We can create something and take it out of Liberia. We think it's possible. Liberians are great people, and we believe this will be a great milestone for our country and great milestone for youth development in Liberia.
We are located at Nese Dido, Town Market, 8th Street, Cinco.